Ayakui Nek now Charlene Wan. That means, hello, my name is Charlene Wan in Yurok. I'm a junior at Ferndale High School. My family is Yurok, but I'm not Yurok. I'm Hoopa from California. Helps me connect with people, and since I don't live where my tribe is from, like it helps me connect with the culture even though it's not my culture. It's really good being around other Native students. Well, when I first lived up here, that was one of the ways I made a connection with people because I had a really hard time. I always felt alone and stuff, and so being around other people really helped me through Chesquin. I always had fun there, and it was something to do where I wasn't bored, and doing stuff that I wasn't supposed to be doing, and so yeah. I don't want to do sports during COVID because it would stress me out and make me worry all the time. Yeah, and so that is also affecting me right now because I don't really see anyone, and so it gets really lonely. Yeah, we just started doing Tresquin 2 weeks ago, right? Yeah, but we missed last week. Yeah. We don't have as much staff as we did have, and so I think that's affecting the kids because they don't get as much help as they need, and I have a really good support group, so it's not as affecting me as much, but yeah, I think it's really hard for the kids, and one person that helped me a lot was Alex, and he made a pretty big difference in my life because he believed in me, and and so he's not at the high school anymore, and so that sucks, and that's kind of hard, and I think it's hard for a lot of the Native kids, but yeah.